students and enthusiasts. So one more project, very simple, especially for school children's, for learners who are starting with microcontrollers. So it's a light-based project. The name of the project is Smart Ambient Light Control using ESP32-C3. The board is also small. It's a super mini board. It's a development board. And the second point number 2 is a very good example of pulse width modulation. That is, we call it as a PWM controlled LED or light. So let's see what is in the project. So first of all, an ESP32-C3 Super Mini reads ambient light. It will read the light level using an LDR sensor. That means we are using a small sensor, that is an LDR sensor. It's a light sensor. It's a basically variable resistor. Okay. Based on brightness, it adjusts the intensity of an LED. That is based on the light falling on this LDR, it will adjust the light. Where you can use NeoPixel strip, that is different color of lights. A strip comes with that. That also you can use it using PWM control at night. So the controlling of a light according to the light which is there, that is daylight or other light, it will adjust the room light or any other device light. It can automatically switch into high lamp mode also, that is night lamp mode also. That is when everything is off, that is device, your main lights are off, automatically a small light, that is the night lamp, will come on. So you can see here on the screen, there is a sine wave pulse on the top, that is zigzag line. And on the bottom side, you have square wave with different frequency, that is PWM frequency. So on the right hand side, I have shown you the ESP32-C3 Super Mini board with the description of its pins. Okay. So why I am showing this pins? Why? Because for doing any project, you should understand when you connect the LED to it, then that particular pin should have a PWM control. That means the facility should be there. Most of the GPIO pins will have PWM except 1 or 2, or maybe 4 or 5. Rest of the other pins, let it be analog or anything else, all of them will work on the PWM frequency. Okay. So we have what we have used in this project, the components, the ESP32-C3 Super Mini LDR, one LDR you can see in the picture. It's a resistor, light dependent resistor, we call it as 10 kilo ohm resistor for a voltage divider with LDR. That means from LDR pin, you will put a 10 kilo ohm resistor which will go to the ground. Okay, that is, we have made it in such a way. That means one of end will go to supply, that is 3.3 volts of the LDR, and another end from there we will put it to ground through 10 kilo ohm resistor, that is voltage divider. LED we have used it here today. We are not using WS2812, that is NeoPixel strip. Breadboard and jumper wires are very, very simple and easy for all of your projects. Right. These are the connections, that is LDR where it is connected. One side it is 3.3. Another side goes to, I just now told you that 10 kilo ohms to ground. Junction of the LDR will go to GPIO 1. We have taken GPIO 1, that is a ADC connection. That is ADC, that is analog connection. LED PWM control are connected to GPIO 5 because it has a GPIO 5 has a PWM also. Through a 220 ohm resistors, depends. If you have what is the intensity, what is the LED you are using, it depends upon that. And LED cathode is another end is given to the ground. So if it is a NeoPixel, then you have to give it to GPIO 5 or 1 or VCC and ground. Likewise, you have to arrange the pins. Now, working bright room, that is the full light, LDR value becomes high. it is a resistor, so it will become high. LED dim or off. That is, LED will either it will be off or it will be dim. Dark room, that is when the lights are off of this thing, the main lights are off, LDR value becomes low, LED bright, that is LED will go up. That is the main purpose of making this project. That is, I said, this is a very beginner's project. Night lamp mode, add condition if keep LED softly glow. Okay, so PWM is nothing but it will softly, it will gradually go up according to adjustment of the light. All right. So this is a simple project, that is Arduino codes I have given it here. Not a very big codes are there. So pin number, LDR pin and LED pin have defined here. And LED pin 5, that is it should have a PWM capacity. While loop, you can say that a pin out, it is the serial begin in 115200. Why? Because it's a ESP32 we are using. So please remember, when there is a Wi-Fi related or something board you are using, so you go for the 115200. So while loop again, LDR value analog read light levels, then the brightness level you can change it here, and but I have given it 0, 4095, 255, 0, right? That is analog right LED pin brightness adjust according to your rhythm, then serial pin brightness, then delay of 100 seconds. That is, it will keep on repeating the thing. Very simple. So you can just copy and paste it on your Arduino and you can start doing this. So let's go and see how it does it work. We'll just directly go to our lab and we'll see how does this thing works. And so you can see we are in our lab. So I'll just show you what are the things actually. Very simple circuit, only one microcontroller. So this is my ESP32 module, that is a C3 module. So only two connections are important here. That is one which is going to the LED. Okay. So this is pin number 5, GPR5. Pin number LDR, that is LDR connection, this jumper wire, I have given it to pin number 1, that is ADC1. Okay. So 1. So where I have joined this wire, from there I have connected one 10 kilo resistor to ground, and the another end of the LDR is going to supply. So 3.3 volt supply, which is the third pin from here, the third pin, that is 3.3 volts. First pin is 5 volt and second pin is ground. So as you can see, the light is coming up. As I will just try to show you, suppose this light becomes bright on this thing, you can just make it out. You can just see when I'm making it dark and all this thing. So already the light is falling on this. I will put more light. Let's see what happens. Just check it out. What happens when the more light is given on the top of this thing. Okay. So I will just a moment, please. I will just put more light. So as you can see, I'm putting more light on it. The light has gone off. Okay. Since the light is bright, that is the room light is bright, you can see it has gone off. Okay. And remove the light slowly, gradually, it is coming up. Again, I'm putting it. That is the more light I am putting it. The light has gone. That is my LED bulb. The light is not there. When I remove it, the light brightness will go. So this is the main function. Okay, this is the PWM main function. Hope you will enjoy this. Students who want to start, or beginner students, science projects, you can do this small projects with LDR. Very simple. You can what call it, a sensor has been used. So very simple project, right? Thanks for watching.